Hey guys, Jace here from Securicom. So just a real quick one. Just giving you guys a warning out there on the internet land that there is a Indian call center scam thing going at the moment, posing as NBN. They just called me and I questioned it and said a couple of offensive things to her, and she told me to go fuck myself. I told her to go fuck herself and then hung up. So the number's coming from Victoria. But they can mimic numbers coming from anywhere. It'll show up on your phone. This one said Victoria. Onto it pretty quickly. But the number that I got was 037065 3421. And then if you try and call that number back, obviously it doesn't go anywhere. It just goes to an engaged signal. So it's just a heads up that there's a new scam in town. They're posing as NBN. Basically saying there's security concerns and they'll try and fix your website. So what they'll do is they'll take control of your computer and then they'll lock you out of it, and then they'll just download everything you've got. Probably they'll even put something on to monitor your keystrokes. So don't fall for it. It's complete bullshit, and yeah, stay safe. All right, bye.